Okay, so basically the video that I recorded for my Monday trade did not work. Like it was no sound on it. So I'm recording this again. As you can see, we took a 6E trade. When we look down, when we zoom out, we're overall in a downtrend. But this last day on Friday, we were starting to go up, and then today we're going up. So now I'm just like, all right, let's get a break of structure during session, and we will look at a trade because we were just in an uptrend too. You know what I'm saying? So it kind of just seems like it's up, down, up, down, up, down type of thing. And I'm just waiting for this break of structure, and we got it. So here I have a 15-minute zone. Boom. And it bounced off the 50, closed above the 13. We can take our setup right here. 12-point stop loss, 101.5. This is a solid setup. And it was looking rough. It was starting to go up. I'm like, oh, let's go. But then it just started going down. So it is what it is, right? It happens. That's cool. It's cool with me. We just had to move on to the next day. But this was overall a good setup, and we started the week off 0-1. So this, honestly, I don't even have much else to say. Like, it just is what it is. And I just moved on. I was a little irritated, though, because during this time, this is when I started this account over again. And I was like, bro, why does my first trade have to be a loss? Like, why? Why does it have to be a loss, bro? But there's a random distribution for wins and losses for any given set of an edge or any given probability, whatever the heck. So I understand that and I accept it, even though I might feel some type of way about it. I get it. It's the truth. So I just roll with it and just keep on taking the plan. What's good? What's good? Today, I want to show y'all. I want to show y'all the trade I took. So now since we took trades on Monday and Tuesday, we're not going to trade on Wednesday. That's just how we roll. We have a short right here. So everything was pretty much going down. And then stuff started shooting up. And then gold was like the only one that ended up staying within its range. So right here we have a gold setup. If we zoom out, we're clearly on that downtrend. This broke, like, we're down. We're going down, okay? Clearly. And that's what we like to see. And then as you can see, it tapped the 50. We had a zone right here, a 5-minute zone. That was already tapped, but that's fine. And then from there, I did not enter at first because we were low and in the zone. So this entry right here would have never worked. But this entry actually worked. Because at this point, the zone is still here, but it was already tapped into, so we're not really worried about it anymore. So now we're just waiting for the break of candle. And we got our break of candle, and we lost. You know what I'm saying? And this was before the New York Stock Exchange opened, but I can trade 10 minutes before it if it's not US 30 or NAS. Like if it's gold or silver or whatever, like we can do it. It's fine. And then from there, we took the L. I was literally going through it. I was contemplating, like, yo, is this stuff even worth it? And then here, boom. This is where I was like, okay, I can re-enter again. You know, we could take the re-entry. But if we measure this, as you can see, we have 37 and then 40. So that means this candle is actually more of a buy candle than a sell candle. So if I'm taking sells, then I can't take this because this is 40 and this is 37. So I ended up getting in for like 1 second and then I had like a really small loss, dang near break even. But I got out once I measured it because I set my order because things were going fast and I set my order and then it actually ended up hitting and then it lost. Oh, but I did take like a huge loss from that. It was very small, and I was just like, yo, we can still re-enter. Let's just wait and see what happens. I didn't chirp about it. I was just like, hey, bro, it is what it is. Let's just keep going. So right here, we actually had another re-entry chance. And this zone was also right here. So we have another 5-minute zone plus this one that we reacted off of earlier. And we're going for the 1 to 1.5. So I know I'm on the micro gold right now, but I did do it based on this gold on regular mini. But I entered on the micro, which is fine. You know what I mean? That's, as long as I'm doing it based off the mini. Yeah. So here we're entering, and I'm like, damn, we finna get a quick dub. I was wrong, bro. This was so stressful. Look at this. I'm like, oh, okay, we're so close, bro. And I just have to stay in the trade the whole time. You know what I'm saying? Just have to stick with it. So from here, I'm just like, all right, well, I'm going through it, y'all. But I was really going through it right here because I saw this and I saw that we're dang near break even. And then with this candle right here, we won. But bro, looking at it, you're not going to be as stressed. You're just like, all right, this is what it is. It won, right? You guys are probably looking at this like, it won. But I'm looking at it and I'm thinking about all the emotions that I went through just to stay in the trade. Like, I did not think about getting off the trade at all. But I was monitoring it just to make sure that if it hit my take profit, that I got out. So, hit take profit, got the 1 to 1.5 on this, and we ended the day in profit. So, cool with that. And what I'm really cool with is that I just took my plan, y'all, and I want to keep on doing it. This month is rough only because like it's a lot of free entries. It's a lot of trades being taken this month. Like I feel like I usually don't take this many trades in a month, but this is gonna build me up. Like I have to really make sure that I reflect on this month and I'm really like, yeah, this is a possibility. Like you can have a month like this. So I wouldn't say it's a bad month, but it's not a regular month. Like it's not like a regular month where I'm like 7-2. And it is what it is. I just have to keep taking my plan, not worry about all the stuff in between. Okay, so let me just hit this replay for a second. Friday, I did not trade, y'all. And I already knew there was finna be a trade that I could take just because I couldn't trade this Friday. Like, literally, it was only because, well, there was a big reason. My god sister graduated, so I wanted to be there for her. And one trading day is like, all right, whatever, man. Wasn't even a debate in my mind at all. So as you can see, this setup, let me just show y'all the first part, why this would be a valid setup. So as you can see, we're clearly going up. If we're on our laptop right now, so we want to zoom out to the 90%, and we can see that we just been shooting up. And I wouldn't think this is too high yet. I was thinking to like maybe not take this setup when I'm looking back at it because the entry would have been in this little zone, but it would have been fine because we're not too high yet. You know what I'm saying? Like clearly we still have some room over here to go up. So yeah, this was a solid setup. Just shot up at one, just like that. Textbook. That was it for Friday. We missed it. It's okay though. At the end of the day, we're just gonna keep on going. This was overall a solid week. Like I took my plan. This was the week. Like this is how the week is supposed to be. You know what I mean? And my reflections. I just need to sleep a little earlier. I need to make sure that I continue to stay focused. Just double down on this week because this is a good week. And let's try not to add like a whole bunch of pressure. Let's just do what we do and let things play out and wake up, take our plan. Simple. Keep it simple and don't get too comfortable. So that's going to be the motto every week. We just got to remember these things. We're going to review the plan, review trades, and just move on. So I will see y'all next week. It will be week 18.